Next speaker, I'd like to invite His Excellency Sasikumar Santanam from India. He will speak on Hinduism's perspective. Floor is for you. Good morning. Namaste.
Thank you, Imam. Let me start with the prayer. Om Sri Karunagara Guru Parabrahmane Namah. Om Sri Karunagara Guru Satyapradaya Namah. Om Sri Karunagara Guru Adiva Satyaprakashaya Namah. Om Sri Karunagara Guru Adiva Satyaprakashaya Namah. Om Sri Karunagara Guru Adiva Satyaprakashaya Namah. Distinguished speakers, diplomats, respected spiritual leaders, guests, and learned participants, greetings from India. This is Sasikumar Santanan, a disciple of Navajyoti Sri Karunagara Guru, the founder and master of Shantigiri Ashram, Thiruvananthapuram. I am beholden to the Imam for affording me this divine opportunity, and I congratulate Commonwealth Alliance and Ministry and Spirituality Centers for Humanity for organizing a variety of meetings on interfaith, peace, and unity throughout the year. The given topic for today is how can interfaith cooperation address climate change responsibly? Well, for convenience, I'm dividing this into three parts. The first part is what is climate change? I am sure the participants are very familiar with the term climate change. The term climate change refers to significant long-term shifts in global or regional temperatures and weather patterns. Studies show that human activities, that's of burning coal, oil, and gas, deforestation, agricultural, industrialization, etc., have become the primary cause of the rapid climate changes. International forums, governments, and NGOs have initiated various programs and framed policies to curtail climate change. But when we observe the reports of the United Nations, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, they show that the Earth is warming faster now than at any point in human history. Why is it so? It clearly indicates that the measures adopted so far are inadequate to address the issue. Until and unless we block the karmic pollution, climate change cannot be addressed effectively. What is karmic pollution? Karmic pollution refers to the negative results of unrighteous action. Unrighteous actions are behaviors that go against moral, ethical, or divine standards, encompassing disease, injustice, wickedness, and actions driven by selfish desires or ignorance, which leading to negative spiritual and moral consequences. A few examples, that is cheating, robbery, suicide, murder, terrorism, use of drugs, and war with selfish motives. This unrighteous karmas cause a high amount of subtle pollution that influences the living beings, forcing them to perform adharmic or unrighteous karma or action, which in turn enhances the pollution level and contributes to climate change. The second part, solution. Humanity may look for a branch of knowledge that can eradicate subtle pollution and guide society toward righteous action. In my experience, such a discipline was developed by my master, Navajyoti Sri Karunagara Guru, and successfully put into practice in Shantigiri Ashram. Then the third part, responsibility of interfaith movement. Interfaith leaders may conduct a deep study of the righteous actions mentioned in their respective religions and discuss with other leaders to find out the method for maintaining values in life. If it is done diligently, pollution can be brought down to zero. It may look utopian because we are less exposed to this faculty. The interfaith leaders, with the help of the religious and spiritual leaders, guide the masses to this reality, and this will ultimately help humanity to get rid of climate change and also pave the way to sustainable development and eternal peace. With the above, let me conclude the dialogue with the Shanti Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnal Purnamudachyade Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May peace prevail in the world. Thank you and Sadguru Sharana.
You're welcome, and thank you very much, Brother Sasikumar Santana, for a wonderful presentation.